This is question number 24, and we are told the vertices of a triangle A minus 2, 2, B 2, 2, and C 2, 8. On the grid provided, draw a triangle ABC and its image ABC prime and at rotation minus 90. So what we do is first of all we label our Cartesian plane. So we have that is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is our x-axis. We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is our y-axis. And we have the negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that. So we are told that A is minus 2, 2. So this is where we have our A. We have B is 2, 2. So this is where we have our B, 2, 2. And let's write it here. So we have B, and we have our C is at 2, 8. 2, 8 is that point. So this is where we have C, our C, and we join the 3 points to come up with our triangle. That is our triangle ABC. The other triangle, we are told the center of rotation is at R, where R is 1, 1. And for us to be able to get that triangle, you can use a set square. You join A to R, then you make an angle of 90. Alternatively, we can get that the negative rotation is a clockwise rotation. So we can count from R to go to A, you move 1 unit along the y-axis. So we move the opposite along the x-axis. Along the x-axis, we move 3 points. So we move along the x-axis 1, then 1, 2, 3. So this is where we have our A. That is where we have our A prime. Then we have B. Our B, from R, it is 1 unit along the x-axis, 1 unit along the y-axis. So we do the same, we get our B at that point. So that is where we have our B prime. Our C from R, we move 1 unit along the y-axis, 1, and along the x-axis, y-axis, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we move one along the x-axis, that is y-axis, and 7 units along the x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have our point C at 8, 0. So that is our triangle ABC prime, and let's draw that. So that is our image, our triangle at ABC prime. So from there, we are told to draw triangle ABC double prime, where we have been given the coordinates. So let's do that. So our triangle ABC double prime, we have the A is A double prime is minus 1, minus 5. So that is where we have our point. That is A double prime. We have B is at, this is supposed to be double prime there, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. We have that is our B, and we have our C as minus 4, 3, minus 4, minus 3. So we have our C at that point. So we join the 3 points to come up with a triangle. So that is our triangle. And the next question is, describe fully the transformation X that maps ABC prime onto ABC double prime. So if you observe these two triangles, you see this one is a reflection of this one, but the ABC prime is smaller, so it means this is in the opposite side of the center of rotation. So we drew the lines joining A and B, B prime and B double prime, A and double prime, and we will be able to get the center of rotation. We have our lines now, and we can see the center of rotation. Our center of rotation, we can see clearly it is 0 is equals to x is 0 and y is 2. Y is 2, sorry for that, y is 2. Then we have enlargement scale factor. Enlargement scale factor is equals to, if you count the number of squares from A to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from A to B, you can see it is, this one is a half, and because it is the opposite side of the center of rotation, then that is equals to minus a half. Or if you get the area of this triangle, of the image, this triangle, and you divide with the area of this triangle, you get it is a half, and the enlargement is in the opposite side of the linear scale factor. So that is how we get the center of enlargement and enlargement scale factor. Finally, we are told triangle ABC triple prime is the image of triangle ABC and a reflection in the line x is equals to 0. So this is the line x is equals to 0, that is this, which is the same as x-axis. So let's reflect our triangle through that line and get our image. So we'll get our, if we reflect B through x is equals to 0, we get our B is there. So this is our B triple prime. Then we can get, so we'll get our B prime is there. That is where we have our B triple prime. A is opposite the x-axis, so we have our A triple prime, and then we have our C. You count 4 squares from the line of reflection, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where we have our C, and we join the 3 points to come up with a triangle. So that is our triangle, and then we are required to state the type of congruence that we have, that is triangle ABC and triangle ABC prime, and for I, that is ABC and ABC prime, that we refer to that as direct congruence, which you learned in Form 2. And the other one is opposite congruence. So that is how you solve out or you work out that question. This is what you learned in Form 2 in transformation, that is reflection, rotation, and so on. So you should be able to get 10 marks. And that brings us to the end of our paper 1 2017. I welcome you to also check paper 2 of 2017.